Hello guys, my name is Hua and this is a vlog for Echo's Voice of Hanu Summer Speaking Contest. And my topic is imagine how you can be a fictional character and who you be. Well, for me, if I can be a fictional character, I'd like to be a Superman. For real, that guy is very cool and he's handsome. He can shoot lasers from his eyes and he has a bulletproof body. You don't believe how awesome it is when you have superpower. Being the Superman is interesting. You must fight against bad guys like Lex Luthor and gain fame through victories against enemies. Imagine that you can walk freely into the enemy base without worry about getting hit. The heroic figure is just so awesome just to think about it. Well, he also had a very beautiful girlfriend, Lois Lane. But the coolest thing about him is flying. Admit it, you can take your girlfriends to the sky and fly. You can carry her and take her to anywhere you want to go. Besides, you can fly into the outer space without worrying about lacking of oxygen or wearing heavy spacesuit. Despite the fact that he's threatened by an outer matter called kryptonite. The power Superman holds is too big to use or to get away from temptation. That's definitely a lady killer and everybody would love to become a Superman for even one day, and that would be a memorable experience for everyone including me. So what is your fictional character you would like to be? For me, for being one day Superman is so cool. See ya!